Rallis India Q3 FY26 results, 19% revenue growth, EBITDA surge or investor takeaways. Rallis India Q3 FY26 results, 19% revenue growth, EBITDA surge or investor takeaways. Operating profitability also strengthened during the quarter, with EBITDA rising to 58 crore rupee compared to 44 crore rupee in Q3 FY25. This improvement highlights better cost control, operating efficiencies, and a favorable product mix, even in a demand environment that remains seasonally moderate. At the profitability level, profit before tax before exceptional items increased to 36 crore rupee versus 19 crore rupee last year, indicating a solid underlying earnings recovery. However, reported PAT for the quarter stood at 2 crore rupee due to exceptional items related to additional gratuity provisions following wage code implementation. The stock market's interpretation of these results requires separating core operational strength from accounting adjustments. While the headline PAT appears weak, underlying business momentum, as reflected in revenue and EBITDA growth, remains positive from a fundamental standpoint. Looking at 9-month performance, Rallis India reported revenue of 2,441 crore rupee for 9M FY26, representing a 9% year-on-year increase. This growth was supported by steady demand, volume expansion, and improved execution across businesses. EBITDA for the 9-month period rose 18% to 362 crore rupees, supported by better gross contribution and disciplined operating efficiencies. Profitability also improved meaningfully, with PBT after exceptional items at 267 crore rupee compared to 227 crore rupee last year. Net profit for the 9-month period increased 26% year-on-year to 199 crore rupees, reflecting sustained improvement in underlying profitability despite quarterly volatility caused by exceptional costs. This strengthens confidence in the company's medium-term earnings trajectory. From a business perspective, crop care delivered healthy growth in Q3, supported by improved field activity, customer engagement, and strong traction in key products. Better on-ground execution played a meaningful role in driving volume-led growth. The seeds business reported strong performance during the quarter, aided by seasonal demand and improved volume execution. This segment continues to add stability and diversification to Rallis India's overall revenue profile. The B2B business also recorded robust volume growth, driven by continued customer engagement and traction across key accounts. Over the 9-month period, this segment benefited from volume expansion and selective price improvements. On the innovation front, Rallis strengthened its pipeline with the launch of a new herbicide, Fateh NXT Apanjikrit Vyapar Chinha, during the quarter. Additionally, a three-way herbicide combination for wheat received an Indian patent, while the Mesotrione process patent was granted in the US. The company also continued leveraging digital initiatives to improve farmer and retailer engagement. Digital vans, farmer database creation, and online engagement platforms were actively used to strengthen market reach and improve sales effectiveness. From a sector perspective, the agri-inputs industry remains influenced by seasonal demand patterns and farm-level activity. In this context, Rallis, volume-led growth and focus on innovation position it relatively well compared to peers facing uneven demand recovery. Key risks to monitor include seasonal demand fluctuations, execution risk in scaling new product launches, and margin sensitivity to input cost movements. Exceptional items can also create short-term volatility in reported earnings. On the catalyst side, upcoming seasons, successful commercialization of new products, continued volume expansion, and further operating efficiency improvements remain important triggers for sustained earnings growth. In summary, Rallis India's Q3 FY26 results demonstrate strong operational momentum with healthy revenue and EBITDA growth, while reported PAT was temporarily impacted by one-off costs. For investors, the focus should remain on underlying business strength, volume execution, and how effectively innovation translates into long-term profitability. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.